How to change subtitles in YouTube TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change subtitles in your YouTube TV account. So first of all you have to do is just simply log into your account using your credentials after opening your YouTube TV official website. And once you're logged in into your account, all you have to do is just simply play the show or of your that you would want to watch. And after that, just simply play the show that you would want to watch of your preference. For example, I'm watching this particular show right here. Just simply play this, and once the show has started playing, and if you are watching it live or anything like that, and you want to change the subtitle of this show, so all you have to do is just simply click on the settings icon from the show itself, and you will be able to see the option called subtitles over here, which is currently turned off. Just simply click on it, and you have the option to turn on to CC1 and CC3 as per your liking. And if you want to change the language of the subtitles that you're watching, for that you need to come to the your home screen and just simply click on your profile section from there, and go to the language section and change the language as per your preference. For example, you can switch to Spanish or English, and as soon as you turn on to Spanish, your subtitle will also be turned into Spanish as well. So this is basically how you will be able to change subtitles in YouTube TV. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.